Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? Yeah, my hat's fading in and out. Isn't that strange? Okay, so we did greater and we did less, and you guys did a fabulous job with that. Today we're going to do equal groups. Do you remember what equal means? It means the same. So our groups have to have the same amount in both. Okay, that's what equal means. So let's go. You're in module 10, lesson 3. I can match equal groups of objects within 10. All right. And you're on page 247. That's 2, 4, 7, 247. All right. And they are still at the carnival. Listen to this story. How can you identify whether the number of objects in one group is equal to the number of objects in the other group? Kate has 8 tickets. Will has 8 tickets. Math Wizard, you just told us they each have 8. You're right, I did. And so they have the same amount in each. So is that equal? Yes. But let's just say we're going to match them. Let's match them. When we had greater or less than, one group would have more or less, right? More or less. There wouldn't be any more to match it with. But here, does every object have a match? If every object has a match, then the groups are equal. All right. Oh, like a ring toss, maybe. There are pink and green rings at the ring toss game. How can you identify whether the number of rings in one group is equal to the number of rings in the other group? So what are some ways that you could do that? You can match them like we've been doing, right? Match them. What's another way? You could count them. Let's see. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the pink ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the same. Let's double check by matching. Does each one have a pair? Yes. All right. So they are equal. There are also blue and purple bottles at the ring toss game. How can you identify whether the number of bottles in one group is equal to the number of bottles in the other group? Circle the groups that show equal objects. So these show equal objects. Now, we can match these. Let's count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 blue, 5 purple. Is that the same? I don't think so, but let's go ahead and look here. We're matching them. Does everyone have a match? Nope. So that group is not equal. We do not have equal amounts. Okay. Here's another. You're going to, for this one here with the duckies, you're going to use matching to identify if the groups have an equal number of ducks. All right. Instead of telling a classmate, since you probably don't have a classmate, I want you to tell your homeschool teacher how you can identify whether the number of objects in one group is equal to the number of objects in the other group. All right. You can pause this while you do that. All right, for 4 and 5, there are different color balls for a game. Use matching to identify which group has a number of balls equal to the other group. Draw lines to match the objects in each group. Circle the groups that show equal objects. You can pause this while you do that, okay? On your own, I want you to take this paper or take your book, and I want you to go to your homeschool teacher and ask them to read the instructions to you. Okay, and then you're going to show them what a great math star you are, and you're going to do it all on your own. All right, awesome. Great job today, math stars. I'll see you tomorrow.